What an honor and privilege it is for me to join this community as the 13th Chancellor of Trent University. Universities prepare young people for careers or entrepreneurship. The best universities prepare you for leadership, for citizenship, and for purposeful lives. And as the world becomes more complex and uncertain, clarity of purpose becomes even more important. My closing message to you is this: lead and live with purpose. Use your uniquely human capabilities to make a positive difference in the world. Congratulations, Trent graduates. Now go celebrate.
Convocation is dismissed.